Mopar family, should I get a new Charger or should I go the Cadillac route, BMW route? What should I get, man? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jeff. If you haven't been following, this is just a family vlog that I have. I'm a father, 2 kids, husband to a beautiful wife. Today I just wanted to kind of get some quick feedback here from the Mopar family. I know a lot of people in the car community love the Chargers, right? And I'm talking about V8s, right? Not the V6s. I unfortunately have a V6. I don't have a problem with it. It works out great for me. I've had this car since 2014, and I'm only at 96,000 miles on it. So I had a few advantages throughout my lifetime where I didn't necessarily need to drive it, so it was sitting for a while. But now I'm actually driving this car full time. Now it's been a full year. I want a truck. Don't know what I really want to do. Right now, this car, it drives flat. It's fine. As far as being a sedan, it's the biggest that I feel comfortable with. I have 2 car seats in the back, and I feel like I still have plenty of room. Now, any other car, right now, I'm getting older, the kids, I feel like I want to pop my shit just a little bit here, right? So maybe something like a Blackwing or a Beamer. I don't know about a Beamer. I drove one, had one. I think I like my Mercedes better, but overall the point I'm making is hey, I need something else to kind of upgrade. Now the other option is that I actually can swap out the parts for this car. That's the great thing about Dodge, is that all their cars from 2011 to I think maybe 2018, 2019, all the parts are very exchangeable. It's like plug and play. So I have the option of either going the SRT 8 front bumper, or just keeping it as is. But I kind of do like that bumper though. That bumper look fire. Or swapping to a newer gen. But the 7th gen look more aggressive, right? That's what you'll hear from the car community as well. But you want something that kind of looks a little bit more modern too. So the newer gen will kind of look modern. But I really like my 7th gen front bumper, and if I actually do go that SRT route, I think it'll probably look real mean. The only thing is, I could make all these upgrades to the car. I could make this like a build that I can share between me and my son, and we kind of make memories out of this. But again, here and there, you'll have some random stuff pop up here for your car. For example, your ABS light pops up, right? Some random stuff like that. That's very common here with Dodge, and it just kind of brings you back oh man, should I really invest all that in the car, or should I just go ahead and get a new car route? Again, for me right now, I'm just trying to look for opinions from you guys. You can Google it and see all the different cars all the different mods and stuff that you can actually do with this car. It's a fun car to drive. As far as swapping out the engine, I'm not there yet. I can, but I'm just not there yet. Again, I have 2 kids in a car. This is kind of quote-unquote my family car so far. My wife does have a mid-sized SUV, so she's pretty good. We're pretty good as a family as far as our day-to-day. But again, like I said, this is just me just trying to figure out what to do with this car. I could probably push it to 150,000 miles. Who knows? But again, I'm just trying to look for some opinions here and see what I should do. And if I do go ahead with some mods, what mods should I actually start with first, right? So looking for comments. Don't let me down. Again, my name is Jeff. I'll be posting here quite often. Do me a favor, just if you like my content, do me a huge favor, just follow, subscribe, comment. It really helps us out. And if you like any bit of the video, if you watch 30 seconds or a minute of the video and you felt like you got something from that video, please go ahead and subscribe, and then like the video for me. So I appreciate it. Talk to you guys soon. I'll drop the next video within this week.